Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your schoolwork with Microsoft OneNote while studying abroad step-by-step clearly. Open Microsoft OneNote on your device. Create a new notebook specifically for your schoolwork. Name the notebook according to the subject or semester. Add sections for each subject you are studying. Within each section, create pages for different topics or assignments. Use the Insert tab to add files, images, or links that are relevant to each topic. Utilize the Draw feature to make handwritten notes, if you prefer. Organize your notes using tags for important items, to-dos, or questions. Set up a study schedule within OneNote by creating a dedicated page. Add dates, times, and topics you plan to cover in your study sessions. To track tasks, create a checklist for assignments and projects. Regularly update your progress by marking tasks as complete. Use audio recordings within OneNote to capture lectures or group discussions. Incorporate tables to structure information for quick reference. Sync OneNote across all your devices to ensure you have access anytime. Regularly back up your notebook to prevent data loss. Review and adjust your notes frequently to stay on top of your studies. Utilize OneNote's search feature to quickly find specific information. Engage with the OneNote community for tips and shared resources. Consider sharing your notebook with classmates for collaborative projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.